Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm actually planning for March 25th until the 1st of April. This is the mountain campsite kit by is beautifully planned by Louise on Etsy, and I will leave the link in the description for you guys. So yeah, this is just me digitally planning out this kit. This kit is available as a printable or digitally, as you guys can see me using it just now. All I basically do is I just convert the kit into a PNG format, and this is basically how I use it. I don't want to chat too much on this just because it's more peaceful if there's some nice relaxing music in the background, but basically I just wanted to say sorry for kind of going a little bit MIA. I tend to get a little bit caught up in other things and abandon this page sometimes, but I have been creating some new kits and stuff, so be sure to check out the Etsy page because we do have some new releases, and we have some new releases coming as well. This kit is definitely a new release and I'm a little bit behind, so I'm just kind of using up the pages that I haven't planned on yet. I know we're a mess, so I'm just kind of using up the spaces and planning using these kits. So I hope you guys love this and let me know what you think of the kit.